Welcome to Library Professionals. My name is Niranjana K. I am presently working as an assistant professor in Information Science Department, Holega University, Ethiopia. Um, Dear professionals, today I'm going to share an experience how to install Dspace 6.3 version and on Windows 10 operating system. In the previously, I succeeded to install Windows 5.2 version in Windows 7 operating system. But whenever I try to install Dspace 6.3 version in Windows 10 operating system, I confront so many errors. So today I overcome those things. I succeeded to install. So today I'm going to share those experience how to install in a Windows 10 operating system. Before that, I want to give brief introduction about Dspace. Dspace is a digital library software. It is developed by HP, Hewlett Packard, and MIT. That is Massachusetts Institute of Technology Libraries in collaboration with that they have developed, and also it is meant for managing electronics content like audio, video, ebooks, text contents, and all. So you can just store the information in the server computer, and you can access the all information in your local area network or maybe public IP. For that one, before that, I want to explain about what are the required software to install Dspace in your computer. First one is we need Apache Ant 1.9.5, Apache Maven, Apache Tomcat, Dspace 6.3 version, and Java JDK version, and PostgreSQL version. These are all the main software we have to first download to our computer. For reference, under my video I have given the link, all software. No need to go anywhere, just click and you can download over there. And here, especially in the PostgreSQL, most of the time whenever I try to install, I have faced a problem in PostgreSQL 9. This version, but I found that if we enable pgcrypto, that is a one extension in the Dspace database, so we can able to install 6.3 version over there. So now I'm going to explain everything step by step. I don't want to skip anything. First, we need to extract Apache Ant to my C drive. First, you select C drive and extract the files. And the next one is we need to extract Apache Maven into the C drive, and also Dspace 6.3 version. First, we need to extract this file to my C drives. So just go there. I'm extracting here. I don't want to skip any step. I want to explain it very extensively. Please be patient. Okay, now extraction it has done into my C drive. Once you cross check it is available or not over there, before that I want to mention about my system configuration. My system is 4 GB RAM and 1 TB hard disk, i3 processor, and my operating system is Windows 10 Pro. So this one we should keep in your mind before installing to your PC. So now let me check. Okay, these are all 3 files has been extracted to my C drive. Next one is I would need to install Java JDK 82311 Windows x64.exe software to my C drive program files path. So just double click this software. This software it is very important when you want to install Dspace in your PC. So it will take automatically path to C drive. So just click next, just wait, depend upon speed of your computer, it is going to install over there. Yeah, we are in this step, installing a Java step. The first 3 steps it has been finished, and now we are in this installation of Java step. And another one major feature of Dspace is it is very compatible to take backup, creating a backup and restoring the data. This is whatever the software it is developed, whether it is support for the backup and restoring things, then only it will be succeeded. So it is supporting very well. In my next video I am going to explain everything, and now it is going to install in my program files Java. Just click next. Now the installation process is initiated. So in the next video I'm going to explain about how to create community and collection, how to customize a Dspace, how to create a backup, and how to restore the content through our backup folders. Those things in this series I'm going to explain. Yeah, it's installing. I think in my PC I have very lot of softwares, so it may be delay. So I suggest to my user use minimum 8 GB RAM or 16 GB RAM PC. Okay, it has been installed into my computer. Okay, this message is given. Next one is I want to install Apache Tomcat. It is very easy. Just double click. You just go to my files. Just double click. Yeah, click next, agree, and normally no need to select anything, just click next. Here it will ask username and password. I prefer to not enter those things because whenever you want to log in, it will ask each time what is the username and password, so I don't want to prepare. Now you may see it's going to install in the program files. It is created one folder. It's called Apache Software Foundation. Now just click run. That is what is the tick mark. It is already selected. No need to worry. Just click finish. It is going to run. So in software, it is directly going to run in your PC, and also it will give one release note message also. Okay, it is running. Now the installation of Apache Tomcat is just succeeded. Now I want to close. Next thing is I want to install PostgreSQL. This is PostgreSQL is a database. It is going to store whatever database you are going to create. It will be appear in the PostgreSQL. Just double click this also. And in this database we need to create one Dspace database called Dspace, and through that one, whatever our metadata, everything is going to store in PostgreSQL. That is means when you create community collection, anything, those things it is going to store in PostgreSQL. Here I need to enter my password library, and just click next, and here in this it will ask the password. Just click next, and in the retype password library, because whenever you want to log into PostgreSQL, it will ask the password. At the time you need to enter library, that's password. Now it will take some time, so until that, wait. Especially in this PostgreSQL database, instead of a PostgreSQL database, we can install Oracle also. Oracle database, it is also coming, and it will capacity of Oracle is around 1.3 GB. So I prefer to use PostgreSQL because this capacity that is around maybe around 200 MB. So that reason it will not consume this space in your PC. Next it is installing. Maybe whatever the work you've done in the Dspace, maybe JSVI or XML view, that is maybe, for example, I uploaded some videos or some electronic books. Everything, those metadata information, it is going to store in PostgreSQL databases. So it will not store the file whole file. For example, if a video uploaded, video will not going to store over here. Those things in the meantime I want to mention. So while installing, at this time it will give some errors. If it is errors gives, you should not proceed with this software. Again you need to reinstall. So I hope it will not give errors in my PC. I'm very optimistic. Please come on. Yeah, it's coming. But I suggest my users, you should use greater version of PostgreSQL 9.22 or maybe 9.10. Yeah, I succeeded to install software. You should unselect this one and click finish. So we don't want to stock build, so unselect and finish. Okay, it's finished. Congratulations, you have entered up to this step. Next one is another one important step is I need to giving the path. Whatever I install this software in my C drive, I need to give path in my environmental variables. So for that you need to go to properties in my computer or this PC. Go to advanced system settings, environmental variables, and here I need to give the path for my Java home and Ant home and everything. So for third one, you select in the path and go to edit text. Here in the middle, I need to go to each path and select them and paste here. So for that, I need to go to C drive. First one is Apache Ant bin. Just copy down this path, go to edit path. Okay, in the beginning you need to paste Ctrl V. In each extension we should separate with semicolon. That is also one you need to keep in your mind. So semicolon, we have to separate each path. So for that one we need to use next one is Apache Maven. Here also in the bin path I need to select, copy and separate with the semicolon. I already separated. Just paste over here, again semicolon, and then last one is in the Java. I need to give Java path. For that you need to go to program files in your PC, program files, Java. Here two versions are there. I need to take a JDK version, not JRE. So this also maybe you may create confusion. Don't confuse over here. Just select JDK and copy and paste that version and separate with, here also you need to separate with semicolon. Okay, these things you should not forget in your mind. Semicolon means it is available maybe in the beside one key, it is there, L, one key is there, it is called as a semicolon. Okay, then variables, I need to create variable name, and it should be capital letter, and home. I need to give the path for this hand. You need to go to, again go to C drive, go to Ant. No need to go for the bin right now. Just copy down this path and paste over here. Okay, selected. Next thing is I want to create Java home. So in the capital letter just enter Java underscore home, and here also I need to give the path Java home. So go to program files, go to Java path and select Java, this is JDK version, and copy down this one. So in this step no need to go for the bin, so these things you just keep, just click OK, and Java Ant home and Java home. Again you need to cross check and click OK, and once after you finish this step, completed this step successfully, once you restart, I suggest my users once you restart your PC, that is very good. So next one is giving path, it is finished. Next one is very important step, that is setting database name in Dspace, especially in PostgreSQL. I need to setting my database name. So go to start and find the PostgreSQL, and here pgadmin3. Okay, you need to go to pgadmin3. Just click. Okay, it's starting. Yeah, here you just select PostgreSQL, double click over here, and it will ask password, and my password is library because earlier I have selected this password, and just click. Okay, now I enter the library. First I need to create login roles, so just right click over here, PostgreSQL default it will select, so I need to create one login roles in the name of Dspace. So right click, new login role, that is means my role name is Dspace, and definition, my password, also I would like to select a Dspace as it is. And a role privilege, it will ask you just select everything, tick all, just simply you just tick all. And these things I have done. I have created Dspace and a Dspace password and role privilege. That's finished, and this is one step. And next step is I need to create a database. Just go to here and right click, on new database. Here I need to create my database name is Dspace. Just select over here, and the owner is Dspace, and the definition is that the encoding UTF-8, it is quite common always, and my table space is PG default. You just select that one. Only I created name, and PG default, here I selected a table space. Just click OK, because I am in this step I already created, so it is appearing, it will appear on this way. And here another one important step, so if you miss this step, Dspace will not going to install. So I suggest my user be careful at this stage. In the Dspace I need to give extension pgcrypto. So just go to just select a just right click on just right click over here, and in that one just right click, it's showing extension. In this part you just select and right click, click on new extension, because I already done it. Again I'm going to show because while installing software it is done. Just click new extension. Here you can type either pgcrypto, or you can select in the drop down menu. These options are there. Just right click over here, new extension, you just type pgcrypto crypto, just type, and you can go to drop down menu, and I already selected, so it is not appearing. But in your case, if you install first time, it will show this option pgcrypto. The spelling should keep in your mind. Maybe I have just wait. So it will appear. After selecting that, click OK. So then after selecting that, the pgcrypto will appear in this way in your PostgreSQL. Till now around 50% of installation, that is software I have completed. Let me check. Just go to command mode and let me check whatever I have given path, those are all given perfectly or not. We need to cross check that one. So go to Java -version and you can check it. Okay, it is showing it is succeeded. Okay, if this message is coming, it is indicate it succeeded. Next one is Ant -version. You can cross check it. Okay, it is also indicate. Now this message also indicate it is succeeded. Next, I'm entering for the installation of Dspace. So I want to install MVN packages in my Dspace folders. So for that I need to select the path. Just type cd means change directory, and I'm going to Dspace 6.3 release. Okay, whatever the MVN package is going to install in this folder, so through the internet. For this step, you should have the internet connectivity. So those things you keep in mind. So just copy down this path, just right click over here, it will paste. Okay, that is Dspace 6.3 release, and Dspace, this path I'm going to install Maven packages. So select here, and for this step you should have the internet connectivity. Just don't forget, just click Maven package, just click enter, and depend upon the speed of internet in your computer, the packages is going to download to this path. So it maybe take around 30 minutes or maybe 1 hour. Until that you should wait. So in this step you should ensure in your institution or maybe in your college, in your PC, you should have the continuous power supply and also continuous internet supply also. So if anything in middle, if switch up, if maybe due to power fluctuation, whether it is switch up, maybe error will happen. So in this step be cautious. So it is entered, it's going to install. Yeah, it is started. You may see here it is different packages like web apps, maybe like SOLR and XMLOI and OAI, different folders and softwares. It will fetching from the Dspace server, and it's going to install in that respected path. So like this message is appearing, it is indicate you are in the right path. You may see here in this step, in the web app, in the Dspace module, XML, SRE main, web apps, in this folder, software installing, it is initiated. Now once you cross check over here, right now the size of my Dspace, this total size of this Dspace folder, it is around maybe around 360 MB I think. But after the installation is finished, once again you can check it, the size will be increased. So you may see here around, I think 360 MB. At present the size of this Dspace 6.3 SRC release folder is 360. At the end it will be increased definitely. So it is installing. If you finish this step, around 80% of installation of Dspace completed. So building Dspace target, in the target folder some files are downloading. Yeah, in web apps folders some files are uploading, so wait. I don't want to skip any steps because I don't want to create any confusions my users. So as it is, I'm showing. Okay, building success. Yeah, now it is a build success. The message is up here. It is indicate you are succeeded to install Maven packages in Dspace 6.3 folder. So your congratulations, I would like to say, if you move up to here. Next one, and next another one important step is there, so that is also we need to follow. So we may see here. Okay, before that I want to check, let me check what is the size of my folder. Okay, next step is I need to install Ant, press install. Before that I want to, let me check what is the size of this folder right now. Just right click over here, go to properties, just check it out. Really around 2.70 right now the size of this folder. It is indicate around 2.3 GB data downloaded. That means it is fetched data from the Dspace server and installed over here. So for that you should have good internet connectivity, so I suggest have good connectivity over there. So next one is I want to, okay, you may, if you go to these different folders you'll find, I want to install now. Okay, go to Dspace target folder. Next step I'm going to mention again, you need to copy this path. Okay, go to Dspace target and Dspace installer in this Dspace src folder. Just copy down this path and go to command, change the directory, just type a cd, change the directory, just right click over here, automatically it will paste. So it came, and just click enter. Okay, I am in the Dspace installer path. In this path I want to install Ant fresh installer. This is one thing, Ant fresh underscore, let me check. So this path, once you just cross check it, because just click enter and fresh underscore install, not iPhone. That is also careful while entering data into your PC also. I'm just installing, just enter. It is created one directory into C drive. It is a message which is already given, make directory, create directory in C drive. So what happened, I want to explain. In my C drive, a directory name called Dspace has been created. In that directory, several files has been copied over there. So at the end of this step, I'm going to show. Yeah, it is copying, initiated. It will not take much time, maybe around 5 minutes it will take. Wait, it is indicated, you may see here in the C, it is right now it is copying some files to Dspace in the bin folder, and in the Dspace web apps also some folders is going to create. You may see here. Wait, it will give a message at the end, build success. It is a until that wait. Especially while installing any software, especially when you want to work with any programming or something, major thing is we need a patience. So if we have a patience, we will succeed. If we don't have, maybe it will create more confusion. So wait, yeah, it's creating. At the end, yeah, build successful. Yeah, you may see here build successful, a message has been given. Congratulations, around 90% of installation Dspace software finished. So next I need to create my username and my password, my administrative username and password. So I need to create. For that one, you may see here right now, I already previously I mentioned a folder called Dspace. It will create in that different folders is appearing, you may see here. So it is also having capacity around 1 GB. Now we need to go to select this path, Dspace bin path. Just copy down this path and change the directory again, and right click over here, enter. Now again, if we click that one, it is coming to my Dspace bin. In that one, Dspace create hyphen, here not underscore. So be careful. These are, be cautious while entering data. Dspace create administrator. What I am doing in the Dspace bin, I am creating my administrator name. So just enter, wait. So in the while typing also, create hyphen, not underscore. So so I have made previously I made mistake here, this part. So I'm a user, I'm suggesting just tap. So wait. Yeah, it will ask what is my email address. I want to type my email address, niranjankalib@gmail.com, and enter, and it will ask my name. My name is Niranjana, and what is last name? My father name Kantappa. Okay, password will not display on the screen. Okay, you just enter the password. I am going to enter my password as admin, so it is not displaying on the screen. So if not appear, don't worry, just type admin and just click enter, and it will automatically store in your PC. So is that about data correct? Yes. Y, just click small y, enter. Okay, you are succeeded to create your administrator name. That is means my administrator name is niranjankalib@gmail.com and my password is admin. So next one is, and last step of this installation process, just go to Dspace, go to Dspace folder, go to web apps, and here you need to copy down JSP UI and XML UI and OAI and SOLR. These are major 4 folders you should just copy down. Just copy, and we need to paste into my program files, Apache Software Foundation, in the Tomcat web apps, Tomcat and web apps. Here also we may find a folder called web apps. Here whatever we copied the folders, just paste over here, just paste, maybe just click OK, continue. Okay, it's finishing. Okay, the copying process is finished already. The 100% the software installation process, it is finished around. Once you restart your Tomcat over here, and I want to, if you enter up to this step, I want to say you congratulations, because you know the installer most of time when you start the installation you may get so many errors and you will be frustrated. So after whether you enter this step, so you have to be happy, and I want to say whether you come up to these steps, congratulations. So just wait, I'm restarting my Tomcat. In the first time it will take some time. In this Tomcat also we can make it automatic. Automatic manual means in each time when you restart your PC, every time you need to manually start this Tomcat. When you select automatic and apply the process, whenever you start the computer, no need to restart this Apache Tomcat. It will automatically restart. So this is one procedure you keep in your mind. As you are convenient, you can select the options. So these things, especially in this automatic option, especially useful when you when power fluctuation, due to power fluctuation, when system is restarted at the time, no need, any person should not be present to restart this Tomcat. So at that time, whether you have select automatic, so it is automatically restart this Tomcat. So it is, I'm waiting, come on. Yeah, and now you just click start. I want to start because I have selected automatic. Yeah, it is started. Now I want to check my Dspace in my browser. Just go to your browser and type localhost and localhost :8080/JSPUI. And this is also, in this one version also you can access the Dspace. In another way also you can access the Dspace. It is called XMLUI view. This is one JSPUI view. Also you can access the Dspace, and another one view, it is called XMLUI. In both ways you can access the Dspace, but here I prefer to use the JSPUI view because I'm very comfortable with that. So now also it will take it is the first time it is restarting, so it may be take some minutes. So until that we need to wait. And in India, in some colleges I have initiated like this several, I have established several digital repository in the colleges in India. So I want to show, meantime I want to show those things. You can visit, and you will come to know after the customization how it will be happen. You know, you may see here it is one IP address. It is we have created one public IP 103.5.132.213.800 JSPI. This is, I have established this repository in Karnataka, Davangere, in the Bapuji B school. It is called Bapuji Business School. After the customization of your Dspace, it will appear on this way. Please note down this IP once you visit this page, and you will understand how it will be look like. So each content we have given the hyperlinks from the home page. The home page, like in the question papers or anything where you want to access, you will get over here. So just click question papers, you'll get. And in this repository we are uploaded contents like audio, video, maybe that is seminar report, question papers, and also project reports, and institutional newspapers, and also we have uploaded like institutional reports. Everything we are uploaded over here. So once I have given under my video this repository link. Once you go through there, and you will understand. This is for this we used public IP. You may see here, after this process, in the place of localhost, you should use IP address. That is also one thing you should keep in your mind. When you want to access the content, same content in other computers, you should use IP address in the place of localhost. You may see here whatever the content we have uploaded, faculty publication, syllabus, workshop, seminars, everything we can upload into our Dspace. It is very compatible compared to other digital library softwares, and very easy to learn also, and very easy to install also. So like this, in the home page itself you can get all content. It is a JSP way. Okay, still also not wait, the first time it will take some time. Yeah, it is instated. So home page, it is an uncustomized home page. It is appearing. You may see here there is a basic Dspace home page. It is a XML view. It is also appearing here. You may see here. So these are all. In the next video I'm going to explain about community collection creating. First you need to log in. Your name, okay, my name, my administrative credential niranjankalib@gmail.com. my password is admin. Just log in. So you may see here you can create admin. Here you may create community collections and all those things. In the next video I'm going to explain those things. Okay, in the next video I'm going to explain how to customize this part, how to insert the banner, how to insert new text content over here, and everything I'm going to explain. Until that, please wait. Thank you for watching this video, and if any things, please do let me know in my comment box. Thank you.